Welcome to the tutorials for the SONAPHONE DataSuite software. In this video, I will show you the measuring point details. After you have carried out the measurement point details open. You can see at a glance how the state has changed in the diagram above. Tap the arrow below the trend graph. Now you can compare the currently recorded measured values with historical data. You can also add photos, text notes, and voice memos. Here you can see the position, the measuring point ID, and the photos taken. It is also possible to listen to voice memos recorded during the previous measurements. Today, I would like to add a photo, and for this I tap the photo icon, take the picture, and add it to the measuring point.